Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a BMW headlight. First, gather your tools, including a screwdriver set and trim removal tools. Safety is key, so disconnect your car's battery before starting. Next, open the hood and carefully remove any engine bay covers that might obstruct access to the headlight assembly. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and safe removal process for your BMW headlight. Now, let's move on to accessing those hidden fasteners. You'll need to remove several screws and clips that secure the front bumper. Once these are out, gently pull the bumper away from the vehicle. This action reveals additional bolts and screws that directly hold the headlight assembly. Carefully remove all these fasteners to prepare the headlight for extraction. With all fasteners removed, it's time to disconnect the electrical. Carefully unclip all electrical connectors attached to the headlight. If your BMW has headlight washers, disconnect those lines as well. Now, gently but firmly, slide the entire headlight assembly out of its mounting position. Take a moment to inspect the wiring and the headlight housing for any damage or wear before proceeding. When you're ready to install the new headlight, reverse the steps. Make sure all electrical connectors and washer lines are securely reattached. Before fully reassembling the bumper and covers, it's a good idea to test the new headlight's functionality. Turn on your lights to confirm everything works correctly. Finally, reattach the bumper and all engine bay covers, ensuring they are properly secured.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.